Welcome, today in front of me Infinix Hot 11, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Gmail application and tap here on the right upper corner. Now you can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time, and now just to log out from one from these accounts, you should click here to manage accounts on this device. And as can you see, we just launched the Google account settings. Now just to log out, for example, from the first account, you should click there and click here on this green button. Just click again to remove account, and now as can you see in Google account settings we stay only with one Gmail account. And now we'll go back to our application, and as can you see in the application we also stay only with one account and we'll log out from the second one. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.